Language Foundations Vocabulary Flashcards, helping you achieve understanding.
Directions for making something. A group of symbols that make a mathematical statement. Something regarded as a normative example. His formula for impressing visitors. Mathematics. A standard procedure for solving a class of mathematical problems. He gave us a general formula for attacking polynomials. A representation of a substance using symbols for its constituent elements. Directions for making something. A conventionalized statement expressing some fundamental principle. A liquid food for infants. The act of setting and holding a course. A new council was installed under the direction of the king. The concentration of attention or energy on something. He had no direction in his life. The act of managing something. Is the direction of the economy a function of government? A line leading to a place or point. He looked the other direction. A formal statement of a command or injunction to do something. Something that provides direction or advice as to a decision or course of action. A message describing how something is to be done. He gave directions faster than she could follow them. A general course along which something has a tendency to develop. I couldn't follow the direction of his thoughts. The spatial relation between something and the course along which it points or moves. He checked the direction and velocity of the wind. The profession of a teacher. Computer science. A line of code written as part of a computer program. A message describing how something is to be done. The activities of educating or instructing. Activities that impart knowledge or skill. Our instruction was carefully programmed.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to become a part of our growing YouTube community and to learn English effectively.